antique ng damdamin habang pinapanood natin. Yun ba yung ibig kong sabihin kanina? Ipay, when I was talking about mas madali po yung aming trabaho sa mga panahong ito because of the men and women who came ahead of us. They paved the way.
Diba? Sa madami na tayong natutunan sa kanila. Alam mo ba, Tito Boy, a little trivia, I used to be one of the co-hosts of Ariel Ureta sa kanyang Patok na Patok. Ano lang ako noon, super baguhan pa ako noon. So natuturuan nila ako. Tagabasa lang ako ng Quote of the Day. Can you believe it?
Oh.
Do you remember that? I think I was a Thursday girl, yeah. So, tama ka, Tito Boy. They paved the way for us. We've learned from them.
And made life easier for all of us.
Yes, we watched them. We learned a lot of lessons, and here we are right now.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you to all of you.
Kaya itong aming pinag-uusapan po na the Lifetime Achievement Award for Broadcast Excellence is the highest form of recognition being presented to iconic and legendary TV and radio anchors as well as the behind-the-scene heroes such as directors, producers, and other production people in the news and public affairs departments. The previous honorees of this recognition include Mike Enriquez, Bong Lapira, Harry Gazer, Senator Loren Legarda, Cheche Lazaro. I mean, these are venerable names in the business. Nole Di Castro, Mel Tiangco, at ang ating kaibigang Jessica Soho. To present this year's Excellence in Broadcasting Lifetime Achievement Award, please welcome on stage veteran sportscaster Mr. Bill Velasco.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Isang mapagpalang gabi sa ating lahat. Ngayong taon, pinagdiriwang natin ang mga natatanging individual na nagbibigay liwanag at inspirasyon sa mundo ng telebisyon. Sa loob ng ilang dekada, naging bahagi siya ng ating tahanan. Nagdadala ng mga balita, impormasyon at inspirasyon. Sino ang makakalimot sa kanya bilang isa sa mga pioneer na personalidad ng Star News sa TV Patrol noong 1987. 87. Ang kanyang husay sa pag-host ay kitang-kita rin sa iba't ibang programa kung saan nabigyan niya ng boses ng mga ordinaryong Pilipino. Kanyang dedikasyon sa profesyon, ang kanyang integridad at ang kanyang kakayahang kumonekta sa masa ay naging huwaran sa bawat isa sa atin. At higit dyan, isa pa siyang mabuting kaibigan. Please let us all welcome on stage the one and only recipient of the Star Awards for TV Excellence in Broadcasting Lifetime Achievement Award, ang ating pinakamamahal na si Angelique Lazaro.
To present the Adi Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Marinera, and Roldan Castro.
Maraming salamat sa PMPC. Alam niyo, nung unang panahon, nung bata pa si Eva, no, actually, we used to cover, when I was still with TV Patrol Star News, we used to cover itong awards na ito. Talagang ang Star Awards, every year talaga present kami. Little did I know back then that I would be a recipient of this Lifetime Achievement Award. No, really, truly, I'm so touched to the core. Maraming salamat PMPC. Maraming salamat po sa maraming taong nakasama ko sa mga nakalipas na taon. Actually, the timing is just, talagang God moves in mysterious ways. This is my 40th year in the industry. So talagang perfect timing, ang galing talaga. And ang dami kong mga nakasama, mga naging mentors, yung mga co-anchors ko, sila Tita Mel, Kuya Noli, the late Kiko, and then when I moved on to Action 9, ang mga barakong sina Ray Longit, si Tito Montulfo, the late Dong Puno, and so many others have been my instruments, also my inspiration. And now I've been with PTV for the last 8 years. I'm thankful to the management, thankful to our new GM, who's a friend, Ms. Malu. And I hope to continue doing the things that I love to do. My passion for broadcasting sa patuloy pa rin sa awa ni Lord. And I thank Him. Of course, I thank my family. I thank my co-workers. Those who come in and day out. Bumabagyo, bumabaha. Kasama ko sila sa Centro Balita at sa in-person. To my audience who followed me for 4 decades, to my friends, and of course, to the Lord, for all His blessings, many of which are not deserved. But thank you, Lord. This is for your greater glory, AMDG, Ad Maiorem Dei Gloria. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, BNPC.
Congratulations.
Angelique Lazo, palakpakan po natin mga kaibigan.
And happy 40 years in the business. Perfect timing naman.
No, but how nice it is to listen to Angelique. It's just so beautiful. Nothing much has changed. But you know, she remains an inspiration to many young hosts today. Hailed as a father of Philippine television, he was not just a popular and versatile actor. He also directed classic Pinoy TV shows such as John and Marcia, Chicks to Chicks,
Favorite
among
natin
others.
yan,
Diba?
yes.
Previous honorees of this accolade include Tito Alcuin, Tito Dolphy, Tito Vic and Joey, Pepe Pimentel, Inday Badiday, Herman Moreno, Nora Honor, Vilma Santos, and many more. Upang ipakilala ang unang tatanggap ng ating Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award ngayong gabi, I please welcome on stage isa sa mga natatanging icons ng Philippine entertainment industry, public servant, actress, host, guro. Isa rin sa mga Lifetime Achievement Awardees ng PMPC ang ginagalang nating si Binibining Boots Anson Roa.
To present the Adi Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Ballenera, and Roldan Castro.
Maraming salamat. Hindi ko sasabihin, Tito Boy, malaki ang tanda ko sa iyo. And of course, Pipay, I'll talk about longevity. Ako, itong dalawang ito ay talaga kung hindi maaaring makalimutan natin sa industriya. Ang legacy po nila ay talagang kung ganun ka, great, ganun kalaki. Thank you for being there. Thank you very much. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ang ating susunod na awardee ay espesyal po sa akin. Hindi lamang po dahil sa kanyang galing, dahil sa kanyang longevity, ito talagang lasting ang talent. Kundi dahil at some point po, ay naging pamangkin ko po siya. Medyo konti lang ang tanda ko sa kanya, pero kasi ang napangasawa po niya ay pamangkin ko na kaedad po ng aking panganay. And trivia ito, niligawan po niya ang aking pamangkin sa aming bahay. At kapag nagde-date po sila, ako po ang chaperon. And those were the times na ginagawa po namin yung Zoom Superman. Kaya sabi ko, Ariel, baka mapagkamalan tayo ang nagde-date. Anyway, it's so welcoming to have him in the family with my niece, Lydia Ro. Now, you know, ang ating pong awardee ay napaka-special, sabi ko na, hindi lamang dahil sa kanyang talento. He's someone whose presence on our screens, both big and small, is not to be forgotten. Siguro po hindi nakakalimutan yung mga shows niya kung saan he brought to the audience the smiles, laughter, sometimes tears. Ang witty remarks po niya ay kilala. You haven't forgotten Ariel Contina at 12 o'clock high, kung saan pinatunayan po niya ang pinagaling bilang host at comedian. At hindi rin po niya, baka hindi na natin makakalimutan ang kanyang mga memorable roles sa blockbuster films, katulad po ng Kasal, Kasali, Kasalo, at ang mga Kipidora series. Ang galing po, patuloy po siya nagbibigay sa iyong inspirasyon. And he proves his talent is truly kindness. And so for his invaluable contributions, his longevity, and his impact on Philippine television and film, we present the Adi Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award to the one, the only, Ariel Ureta.
To present the Adi Fernando Lifetime Achievement Award are PMPC President Mel Navarro and past presidents Fernando Guzman, Julie Bonifacio Gaspar, Romel Gonzalez, Rodel Fernando, Mel Ballenera, and Roldan Castro.
Maraming salamat PMPC, thank you. Boy, nagulat ako, si Pops ang galing para mag-Tagalog. Naalala ko siya yung sasabi, Martin! Ngayon
Marunong naman ako. Madami ako natutunan sa'yo.
Maraming salamat PMPC at saka Tito Bud. Thank you. Hindi dahil sa matatanda sa akin, no. Dahil napakasama ko yung pamangkin niya. Greater Snatcher, alam niyo na. Itong award, maraming salamat. And I'm sorry, I have to correct something. Hindi po ako lumabas sa Stop, Look, Listen. Now, I don't blame you because wala pa sa inyo pinapanganak itong araw. It's 12 o'clock, hayag mo na akong palabas. Kasama ko sa Tina Revilla. Stop, Look, Listen. Wala ako doon. It doesn't matter. You don't even know what Stop, Look, Listen is. That was at least 60 years ago. Maraming salamat PMPC. Tsaka, natutuwa din ako, kita ko si Boy Abunda. Dahil, yan ang mga competition ko dati sa, sa pagiging host. Eh, nilagpas-nagpasan na ako eh. Maraming salamat. At sana, marami pang mga bata ngayon na magbigay ng, service to the country for a long time. Feeling ko nito eh. Pag meron ang achievement award eh, matanda ka na. Which is true. But I'm glad to be alive, ha? It's a better option. So, from Brock of my heart and from my family, thank you. Maraming salamat PMPC for this. Thank you.
Congratulations again, Ariel Ureta.